Hello everyone, today we are going to make a dolphin. A very beautiful dolphin. We need a square sheet of paper. Alright, let's get started. First, fold these two corners together. Unfold. Fold these two corners together. Unfold. Align this edge with the center line. Align this edge with the center line too. Rotate it. Fold this corner to here. Unfold. Fold this triangle up, then turn it over. Rotate it. Fold this point to this point. Rotate it. Unfold. Fold this point to this point. Align this edge with this edge. Fold a triangle here like this. Rotate it. Place it up. Align this side with the bottom. Fold a triangle here like this. Form a shape like this. Now turn it over. Fold this point to this point. Rotate it. Fold this point to here. Fold this point to here. Fold this point to here. Lift it up. Fold it in half. Fold down here. Unfold. Rotate it. Open it. Fold this triangle down. Press down both sides. Lift it up. Fold it in half. Open this part. Fold it down. Form a shape like this. Pinch here with your left hand. Pull this up with your right hand. Fold this edge to this edge. Fold down. Open it. Lift this up and tuck it in. Fold this to the back. Tuck it in. Fold out a corner here. Now form a shape like this. Next, fold the tail. Lift it up. Fold up first. Then fold down. Tidy it up. Open it from the bottom. Fold a triangle. Flip it up. Fold this corner to the left. Fold this corner to here. This part is a bit tricky. Watch closely. Fold a triangle at the top. Same on the left side. Put your finger in and fold a triangle. Fold in half. Push forward with your finger. Form a triangle. Press it down. Turn it over. Open it from here. Fold outwards. Fold outwards here too. The tail is done. Now fold the head. Align this point with this point. This part is not easy to fold. Watch closely. Pinch a triangle. Stick it up. Fold up along this line. Fold up along this line. Open and tuck it in. Tuck it in here too. Now form a shape like this. Turn it over. Fold this side the same way as before. Pinch into a triangle. Fold up here. Fold up here. Open and tuck it in. Tuck it in here too. Fold this up. Turn it over. Fold down. Open this part. Fold along these two creases. Press it down. Pinch the mouth. And our dolphin is done. Thank you for watching. See you next time.